Have you ever wondered why sweet potatoes are called superfoods? Do you know what sweet potatoes can do for your health and what they can do to you? If not, you're in for a nice surprise. In this video, we'll talk about the best and side effects of sweet potatoes. Number 1. Sweet potatoes have a lot of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. There are about 4 grams of fiber in a medium-sized sweet potato, which is about 16% of the daily recommended amount. Fiber is important for a healthy digestive system and to keep you from getting constipated. Number 2. It is known that they lower blood sugar and make insulin work better. Complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes are broken down slowly and don't cause a spike in blood sugar. Number 3. One of the best things about sweet potatoes is that they have a lot of beta-carotene in them. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that helps vitamin A get made. Researchers have found that it helps prevent cancer and heart disease. Number 4. There is also vitamin C, potassium, and iron in sweet potatoes. Vitamin C is important for making collagen and keeping your immune system in good shape. Potassium is important for keeping the heart and blood pressure in good shape. Iron is very important for making red blood cells and getting oxygen to all parts of the body. Number 5. As they are low in calories and high in fiber, they can also help you lose weight. Number 6. They also have a lot of vitamin A, which is important for keeping your eyesight in good shape, especially at night. Number 7. Also, sweet potatoes are a great way to get antioxidants, which can help your immune system. Number 8. But sweet potatoes have a lot of carbs, which can be a problem for people with diabetes. If you have diabetes, it's important to keep track of how many sweet potatoes you eat and how many carbs you eat overall. Number 9. Some people can also have trouble digesting them if they eat a lot of them. Number 10. If you take medicines that thin your blood, you should talk to your doctor before eating sweet potatoes because they have vitamin K in them. Number 11. Sweet potatoes are also gluten-free, so they are good for people who are trying to avoid gluten. Number 12. They can also be used in many different ways. You can mash, roast, or even eat them as a dessert. Last one. Sweet potatoes are also easy to grow, which makes them a great choice for people with vegetable gardens. So there you have it, 12 things you should know about the pros and cons of sweet potatoes. Just like any other food, you should only eat a small amount of sweet potatoes. Adding sweet potatoes to your diet is a great way to improve your health, but watch out for possible side effects. Thanks for coming to watch. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this one.